Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a comparison video between the Louis Vuitton Neverfull in the GM size as well as the MCM large Liz reversible shopper tote bag. These two bags are iconic. They are stunning. They have a ton of similarities as well as a few differences. So I'm going to share those with you today. So if that sounds interesting, then just keep watching. So let's begin with the Louis Vuitton Neverfull. This bag has been in my collection for about three and a half years now. I love this bag so much. It is beautiful. This one is in the monogram print. Has the beautiful vachetta leather. It is untreated leather, which over time will patina, which basically is just the natural process of aging leather, and it turns into a gorgeous honey color. So really pretty bag. It is huge, and it's one of those kind of coated canvas bags that just kind of collapses on itself. If you don't have an organizer inside the bag, it really does just turn into a puddle on the floor. And so I always have an organizer just to kind of add a little bit of structure to the bag. This one comes with the most beautiful fuchsia pink interior, and it also has this great interior pocket which says Louis Vuitton. It is beautiful. Easily can put your cell phone, your wallet, card holder, anything you want to keep a little bit more secure. And it also has this great little clip right here that just allows you to secure your bag. And then it also allows you to cinch the sides right here, and that just kind of helps it have a different look about it. And it also makes the bag a little bit smaller, which is nice. It is a very large bag. When you end up in a crowd, you don't really want to pummel people with your bags. So this kind of helps keep it a little bit smaller, a little bit more easy to navigate through the crowd of people. So it's just a really good bag. Now, the dimensions of this bag are 15.7 inches in length, 13 inches in height, and it is 7.9 inches in width. So a really good size bag, and it's just beautiful. I feel like Louis Vuitton always does a great job. This bag in particular is so popular, and I understand 100% why. It carries everything in the world and some. It's a beautiful mom bag, work bag, school bag, travel bag. It really is great. It's a great weekender bag as well. I just feel like it does all the things, and it is absolutely stunning. So now let's have a look at the MCM large Liz reversible shopper tote. Now this bag is also a very large bag. It's a little bit larger than the Neverfull, but just barely. So the dimensions of the large Liz reversible shopper tote bag are 17 inches wide. So the Louis Vuitton Neverfull is 15.7 inches in length. This one is 17 inches wide. A little bit longer, but not by much. The exact same height as the Neverfull, so 13 inches in height. And then the depth of this bag is a little bit smaller than the Neverfull. So the Neverfull is 7.9 inches, and this is 7 inches in width. Now, I will say some of the similarities are, of course, the size. Also, that both bags will cinch on the side, again, making that kind of trapezoidal shape. Just kind of makes the bag a little bit smaller, and it really is quite nice that you can change the shape a little bit. It also does come with this interior little clip here, and you can just clip that right there in the middle, and then it allows you to just kind of change the shape of the bag. Very similar to the Neverfull. So definitely the size is very similar, as well as the cinching on the sides and being able to transform the bag from a tote into that more cinched in kind of bag. So another similarity in these two bags is the interior is gorgeous. Now, I will say this has the exact same sort of canvas material feel to it in that it does just collapse on itself. Again, very similar to the Neverfull. It is very soft and squishy canvas material. If you don't put an organizer in it, it will just puddle onto the floor. So again, another similarity of the two bags. And then the interior of this bag is beautiful. Now, this is considered a reversible tote, so you could reverse it and have this on the outside. I'll be honest, I purchased this gorgeous bag for this monogram cognac color by MCM. So I don't use the other side, but it is an option if you're interested in that. Again, the interior is beautiful, huge open compartment in there. And again, just like the Neverfull, you can fit everything but the kitchen sink and some in there. And it is a beautiful, beautiful bag. The other similarity of these two bags is that they both come with a pouch, which is great. So the MCM bag comes with this pouch. It's a great size pouch. It actually can be a shoulder bag. So if you wanted to run into the store, you know, instead of carrying this giant bag with you, you could just pull this out, have your phone, your card holder, a lipstick, your car keys in here, and you can just wear it on your shoulder, run into the store, buy the things you need, and call it a day. So this is a great size pouch. It can hold quite a bit. I feel like it's a really nice addition to the bag. They really did think through just how nice it would be to have a pouch this size. I love the shoulder strap option, and you can even convert the shoulder strap into a wristlet if you want. You could use it as a wristlet or a clutch bag. So really versatile, great options. Now the Louis Vuitton Neverfull also comes with a great pouch. Let me show you that. Vuitton Neverfull also comes with a pouch. It is beautiful, again, with the monogram. Easily you can use this as a wristlet or a clutch. Again, just throw your phone, card holder, keys in here, run into the store instead of carrying the entire tote bag with you. It has a beautiful interior as well. This one does have a slip pocket. It is quite a bit smaller than the MCM. And I would say the MCM is about 2 inches taller or in height, 1 inch in length more than the Neverfull pouch. Both really good pouches. I feel like they really do add a lot to the bags to have these additional pouches. So good. I absolutely love them. So now let's go ahead and get into some of the differences. I would say one of the major differences are in the prices. So the Louis Vuitton Neverfull I purchased about 3.5 years ago now. I did not pay what it is priced at right now. I felt like I was getting a good deal back then, but it has crept up in the pricing of this bag over the last few years, just keeps creeping up. This bag now retails for $2,100. That seems a little bit steep in my opinion, but it is a gorgeous bag. And if you really are a Louis Vuitton lover and you feel like you would use this bag, you will not be disappointed in it. It is truly beautiful. And like I said, if that's the bag you want, you won't be disappointed. Now, the MCM bag I feel like is really well priced. It is $775. And again, you're getting this beautiful brown cognac color. It's also reversible, so you have a more casual kind of tote bag if you want that look. And you also have the shoulder pouch or a clutch for the money. So I feel like this is definitely a good buy. I feel like not everybody wants to spend that kind of money on a tote bag. And this bag is almost $1,200 less than this one. Again, I love both of these bags. I used the heck out of both of them, and I have nothing bad to say about either one of them. Some differences that I did notice about the bags are that the Louis Vuitton Neverfull does not have feet on the bottom, whereas the MCM bag does have these nice strips right there, little feet to kind of protect the bottom of your bag when you set it down, which I really appreciate that little added benefit there to the bag. I think that's really, really nice. Another thing, and it doesn't really affect me too much, but I have heard that if you overfill this bag, these straps can cut into your shoulder a little bit, the untreated leather. I don't know. I feel like over time, these become softer, more malleable, and they become more comfortable. So I don't know. I guess it does depend. If you're going to put too much in this bag and overstuff it, it is going to get heavy and probably would cut in on your shoulder. I personally try not to overstuff it, so I haven't really had an issue with that, but just a difference or something to consider. Whereas this bag is very cushiony, very padded. It has almost like a double leather padding right through here to just really give you a nice comfortable shoulder strap. They're really, really good straps on this MCM bag. I'm a huge fan. Another difference I did notice is that the MCM bag interior does not have a side pocket for your phone. That's kind of a bummer because I do enjoy putting my phone inside my bag just so it's easy access. I don't have to dig through the bag every time I need to check to see if my kids or my husband's trying to get a hold of me. So the Neverfull does have a nice little pocket on the side, which I appreciate. So again, that's just a difference in the two bags. So as I said earlier, there are a ton of similarities in these two bags. I think they are both so iconic. They've been around forever and they're still going strong. They're gorgeous bags. There are a ton of similarities between the two of these bags. There's also a few things that are different, and I hope that this video was helpful for you if you're in the market for one of these bags. So you can kind of have a comparison, some of the things that each one of these bags may offer you and what you're in the market for, what you're looking for right now. If this video was helpful for you, please go ahead and like it. And it would help me so much if you would go ahead and subscribe to my channel so that I can see you in my next video. Until next time, bye guys.